So in the last part of the video we did the HTML coding and we just learned the basic, and in this video we will get a further more knowledge on HTML coding. Okay, so we will start. I'll go to Sublime Text like before, and this was the coding we did earlier, and then we will, in the body tag only we will be there. We will use, there are two types lists. There are two types of lists: ordered list and unordered list. We will first use ordered list. Ordered list is also known as numbered list. Every item in the list is preceded by a number letter to represent each item in the list. The tag is used to represent the ordered list is OL tag, just as I have written. It is a container tag. By default, an ordered list is displayed with the numbers. So I will open UOL. This font tag had opened automatically. We'll release it. Just close OL, and then I will I've opened the ordered list tag, and then the items are used to represent as li. Li means I represent list items. Li means list items. Here I will write all, and then I will close the li. Sorry, just close the li, and then I will write again li hi, and then I will close the li, and then I will write li how are you. Then I will close the li. These are three li tags, means 3 points further I have written. I will just save it, and I will go to the document. This was, I have done it earlier. I will refresh it. You see it. It has become all. Number 1, hi. Number 2, how are you. Number 3, as I have used the ordered list. Okay. So in the unordered list, I will go to the Sublime Text, and in the unordered list we will also do unordered list, reducing the size this 10 to 5. This I am zooming it out, and go to the Sublime Text. Then I will save it. I will remove the OL and write it UL. UL stands for unordered list. Unordered list is also known as unnumbered list or bulleted list. Every item in the list is preceded by a bullet, which is a symbol used to introduce each item. The tag used to represent unordered list is UL, this tag, and it is a character tag. By default, it is filled with circles or discs on the bullet list. Okay, and when I will save it and I will open it, you will see they have become all points. They have all become points, bullets. Okay, there are few attributes of ordered list and unordered list. I will first show you the ordered list attributes. The type attribute of ordered list specifies if I give it small a, then it will show me A, B, C. If I give it a capital A, then it will show me capital alphabets. Sorry. Yes, capital alphabets. If I show small I, they will show me Roman numerals in lowercase, and if I show capital I, they will show me Roman numerals in uppercase, and if I show one, they will give me number. They will give me number. Okay, so these are the OL attributes. Then I will use UL, and then in the type I will use the type attribute. You can use any type attributes, such as disk is by default. You can use disk for field circles, circle for empty circles. Which we used earlier is disks for that is only for empty circles. Just see empty circles. These are and by default they're used with field circles, and we can use it is we can write a square. They will be filled with filled squares. There are many attributes. I'm not telling it. Now I will use attributes. Okay, I'm erasing the unordered list. Okay, you must have noticed that in a website there are many images. So in HTML we can also add images to a web page. So for that, to insert an image in a web page, we use the img tag. An img tag is an empty tag which creates a holding space for the image to be inserted. Okay, so at first we will start it with img tag, img, Sublime Text is already given it, img, then src. We will write src. Src stands for source. The src attribute defines the path of the URL of the image to be inserted. So in src, as I told you, as we have done with href, here we will do with src. So in src, we will go to our folder, and then we will use a Facebook icon. For example, we will use a Facebook icon, and I'll copy path. I can either paste like this, or you can just paste, do like this, facebook.png, f.png, which is my file name, as I suppose. Yes, f.png is my file name. When I go to the properties, you can see it. .png is the extension, and f is the my file name. Okay, so when image src stands for source, and then I will use the alt attribute, alt. Alt stands for alternate, and this attribute is useful if an image cannot be displayed by the browser. In that case, it will show the text written in the alt attribute as the image details. In some cases, the text written can also be shown in form of tooltip text. What is tooltip text? Tooltip text is the text shown at the bottom of the pointer when the mouse is hovered over the image. So here I will write it as Facebook logo. Okay, and then there are many attributes more. I will add them one by one. Then I will align the image to the center of the web page. I will align the image to the center of the web page. There are more attributes. Then I will specify the height and width of the image. Height is specified either in pixels or in percentage. I will specify in pixels or percentage also. I will specify in percentage only. Height equal to 50%. Pixels, px. Pixels short form is px, or we can write also 50px, 30px, etc. And width equal to also 50%. This will make me give me a square 50. And then there are many more options. We will add border. Border attribute specifies the border or the thickness of the border of the image. For example, border equal to 10. So this is the lengthy tag. Okay, then we will save it, and then we will run it. So I will resetting it to default, refreshing it. See, although the Facebook logo has become blur because I've increased it too much further, but it will become a normal image if the image is still bigger, as the image which I've inserted is very small. See, this is very much small image, so it has become like that, but it is a square, and the border is also there. I can also specify the border color, and the height and width are same, and the alternate src attribute is also same. Okay, so I will go to the document. Then I will just remove the image. Okay, but I removed the font. Sorry. Yep. Then this is the important thing. A web browser can support images in various fonts such as GIF, GIF or graphic interchange format, JPG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, or PNG, Portable Network Graphics. These zip formats are only supportable. Other formats will not be accepted by HTML. If you give other formats, then they will show the text in the alternate group, which we have written in the alternate group. Okay, we will now create links. You must have seen links. Links are the most common in websites and web pages to further redirect to a website or a web page. So we'll create links. A website consists of many web pages, as we know that. These web pages are linked with hyperlinks. They are linked with hyperlinks. We have most of you, I think, have seen a hyperlink in Word. It can be seen in Excel or PowerPoint also. A hyperlink is an underlined text or image. Image can also be hyperlinked, and text can also be hyperlinked, which when clicked leads to another location. Hyperlinked text is generally blue in color. You have noticed that, and that is it is blue in color. There are three different kinds of links. Internal links on the same page means I will click on the link and I will go to the bottom of the page like this. This is the internal link. And local link, links to another page of the same website, means I'm in the home tab. I want to go to the about tab. I will just click on the about tab. I went to the about tab. This is the local link within the same website. And the global links are links to different pages and different websites. Means if I am in the Google page, if I click a link on Google, I will go to the Microsoft page. This is a global link. So to insert a link, we use the anchor tag. The anchor tag is used to create a link. So I can start the anchor tag as A, and A href. It's always a container tag. A href, like this. As we have done earlier. A href. Then we will use the link, such as we can create another web page and link it. For now, I'm just using hi. The thing which we will write between the tags will be written as the linked text. I will open a new file, or the file which I have as the tutorial. This tutorial, I will open it with Sublime Text. Okay, I will use HTML code here. HTML code here, and I will give the title linked file. And then in the body with p tag, I will write p align equal to center. You have been redirected. You have been redirected to a new file. Okay, so I will save this, and this is a tutorial HTML. And then in the href, as I told you, if it is in same folder, we can write just the name tutorial, sorry, real dot html. We'll just save it. So in the I will refresh it. See, I hope you can see the hi. Yes, here hi is linked. If I click on it, see, we will open another HTML document which says hi, you have been redirected. Then I will press on the back and come back. Okay, so I will close this HTML document for now and remove the link. Oh, we can also link it with different web pages also, as I told you, such as HTTPS. I hope you know this. Colon slash slash, sorry, slash slash www.gwgle.com. When I will do this, our hi will be linked to Google. Means if I click on hi, I'll directly go to Google search engine. So these I have told you the internal local and global links. So now we'll move further. So you can link an image also. We can use hyperlink with an image also. Okay, so first we will use the body tag. Body tag is used to specify the color of the link. I'm telling you further. Body and body. I'm sorry, the body tag will not be here. It's the body tag present also. Link equal to, the default color is blue. I will keep it blue. Okay, the bleachy color I will remove it, as it's becoming, you can see and the text also I will remove it, as it will be by default black. Okay, link equal to blue, which means the link will become blue. A link means active link is the attribute when we bring the mouse pointer to the link, the a link attribute works. A link I will keep it red, by default is also red, and I will keep the v link. V link means after we have visited the link, the link's color will change to let it be black. Its default is purple. Okay, when I save it, I will go to the tutorial page. See, I have already visited the high link, so it's showing me black. I will just cut it. I will just open it once again. T2. When I will click on high, it's showing me Google. When I will see, when I am going the mouse pointer, it's becoming red, as I have told you in the active link. And when I will click on it, then it will redirect me to Google. For that, the link it's showing the blue, so if I change it to yellow, 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 and this I will change it to color. I will not keep that color, which is just the yellow. A link equal to red, B link equal to black. Okay. Tab. Okay. Now see, we can see that it has been linked. Okay, I will just link another file. Suppose I will link, I will create a new a tag. href, I will link tutorial just as I linked before, tutorial.html, and then I will say that tt, or for the t, only t, and then we will save it. And when we will open it and refresh it, and when we click on that t, we have been redirected. Okay, so I will move further. We can link image also. Suppose I'm showing you that only, removing this a link, v link, all these. We can link an image also. Suppose we have used the a tag. Now I'm typing here hi, so it has been linked. So after we link the ahref, we give the path of the linked file or the document or the website, and then we will again use here img tag inside the a tag. Img src is equal to, I will use the Facebook, f.png, and then I will the path is there. Okay, and then I will align it to center, and I will set the width to 25%, as the previous one has become bigger, and the height as 25%, as it will become a square. Okay, then I will save it, and then when we go to the tutorial, we'll see the Facebook image. It has no border, as I have specified it. When I will click on that, the image is now linked. When I will click on that, I will go to Google. Okay, so now we learned how to link an image. Now we will see about a special type of tag. This is called the marquee tag. The marquee tag, M-A-R-Q-E. The spelling of marquee tag should be remembered. Marquee, such as this is a HTML program. Marquee tag closes. So in that, it has many attributes such as behavior. It's an important attribute. Behavior equal to, within quote, there are three options. Slide makes the object move only once, and when, okay, first I will show you the how it works by default. Yes, see, this is an HTML program. It comes here and it goes from that side and it will again come from the that side. This is the scroll attribute. We can also change the attribute. I'll just show you. Behavior, this is the scroll. I can also choose slide, means the object will come here and then it will bounce from this side. It had not bounced because I have not set the conditions now. Okay, after I refresh it, it will again come. Yeah, it stops. Okay, in the bounce I will, for the bounce I will use alternate, and then we will use it. See, the comes like this and it bounces and it goes from to that side, it again bounces from that side. Okay, and in if we will use it, we'll use the direction equal to, sorry, equal to left. It will go to the left. I suppose. And scroll amount, scroll, scroll amount is the speed of the movement. Scroll amount equal to, suppose 20 is very much speed. See, so it's moving so speed. This is the marquee tag. You can minimize the speed also like this. We will become make it 10. Refresh it, it will move slowly. Okay, so again we'll go to the Sublime Text. So here I end the part 2 of the video. In the part 3 we will learn more about the tables, and furthermore in the part 4 we will learn about digital CSS. Okay, so go and watch the part 3. It will start automatically as it's a playlist.